Are you struggling to fall asleep? Do you wake up constantly for no apparent reason? If you answered yes, then you need to listen up because today I'm going to share with you a product that has been getting a lot of attention lately. It's called Quietum Plus, and apparently it can help you get a full night's sleep without waking up. Now, I'm not selling this product. I'm just sharing some information because I came across it while doing my research for another video. But apparently this product has been featured on Shark Tank, and it as a dietary supplement that helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. The ingredients are all natural, and apparently it works by targeting the root cause of the problem, which is a buildup of toxins in the body. According to the official website, over 92% of users experienced a significant improvement in their sleep quality within just 4 weeks of taking this supplement. If you're interested in trying it out, I suggest you head over to the official website right now where you can get a bottle for half off. Just use the code at checkout. I hope this helps, and if you want to learn more about how to improve your sleep quality, I'll leave some additional resources in the description below. Check the official link in the description.